Hello, subscribers. Today, we're going to talk about Qwen 3.8 Max. As you can see on my screen, we have the benchmark results showing where this model performs best. And according to claims from China, this model is said to outperform many other leading AI models.
But today, I'm going to use it completely for free and see how capable this model actually is. So first, I'll download and install the Opencode text editor, and I'll use it to connect to and test Qwen 3.8 Max. Okay, I've already downloaded it beforehand, so I don't need to download it again. The installation process is also very simple. You just need to run the sudo dpkg-i Opencode command in the terminal, and it will automatically install. Next, go to the token router website and create an account normally. I've already created an account, so I'll just log in. Once you're inside the account, you'll be able to see the available models. As you can see, we have the Qwen/Qwen 3.8-Max-free model available here. And that's the model we're going to use today, completely free. And we've already saved everything we need, such as the base URL, API key, and other details, in a notepad. This makes it much easier for us to add everything quickly during the setup. Okay, now we'll open Opencode and add all of these details so we can start using the model. Let's see how to set everything up. So we've finished setting everything up. Now let's see if the model actually responds correctly. I'll ask it a few questions and see how well it can answer them. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just show you a quick test to give you an idea of how it performs. Let's check it out. I asked it another question about how it can help with red teaming and bug hunting, and as you can see, it gave me a really good response. If this video gets a good response, then in the next video, we'll take this model and work on a specific target to see how it performs in a real-world test.